Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the editing options and advanced features of Smart Docs. Let's open this document. First of all, select any work item from the grid and click Smart Edit in the toolbar. The Smart Edit pane opens. In the description field, you have access to a rich text editor with full formatting options. Change font family and size, apply bold, italic, or underline, adjust alignment, insert links, and even tables directly into the description. Click Save to apply your changes without closing the pane. Now let's explore the side pane options. Click the column settings icon in the top right to access all available options. Select Column Options to add, remove, or reorder columns in the grid. For example, add a priority column so it appears next to every work item. Click Apply to save. The column toggle shows or hides the work item field columns in the grid. The document view toggle shows or hides the description and configured fields for each work item. The hierarchy toggle shows or hides the hierarchical numbering across all work items. The discover toggle shows or hides the built-in help panel inside the document. Select Links from the side pane to view and manage all links for a selected work item. Links are grouped by type: child, parent, and related. Select Smart Edit to open the full Azure DevOps form for any selected work item directly inside Smart Docs. Here, you can use arrows to navigate through the work items added in the document and edit them. Now let's look at the More Options menu. Click the three vertical dots in the top right toolbar. Select Edit Work Items to bulk edit field values across multiple work items at once. A dialog opens where you select the work item type you want to target, for example, user story. Then select the field and value you want to apply. Click plus Add Field to apply multiple field changes in one go. Click OK, and all matching work items are updated and will have priority 2 in the document. Select Clone to copy this Smart Doc to another project. Choose the target project, area path, folder, and title. You can also create an initial version, link back to the source, and open the destination project automatically after cloning. Here's the cloned document in the demo project. Select Save as Template to turn the current document structure into a reusable template. This is useful if you built a document without a template and now want to save its structure for future use. The template becomes available immediately in the Template Designer and in the Document Templates folder. Finally, to generate a formatted report from your Smart Doc, click Smart Report in the top toolbar. Select a template and a style sheet from the dropdowns, then click Generate Report to preview. You can then export as Word, PDF, HTML, or save directly to your document management library. You can also right-click any selected work item rows and choose Edit Work Items from the context menu to apply changes only to those selected items. And that is how you edit and explore the advanced features of Smart Docs in Modern Requirements Next Gen. In the next video, we will show you how to use versioning and create reusable document templates. Thanks for watching.